Dipkit? Dipkit? Dipkit, you there? Hello? Darn thing! Ah. What is this? A children's toy. Who used to live here? Nothing there. Is that a picture of me? No. No, it can't be. It can't be. No. No, it's not. It just can't be. What's in here? Nothing. Nothing's in there. Is that a chair? What's in here? Nothing. Maybe something here can tell me what's going on. Set that down right there. Look behind you. Is that Dipkit? Let me try to find a light here. Light. I found it right there. See it? I can't reach the light. Come on, I can't reach it. I can't reach it. Got it. I'm not gonna need that anymore. So I need that. So is he alive? Pretty sure he's gonna be turned into a zombie. I'm pretty sure that we're not gonna be seeing Dipkit anymore. I'm just gonna walk through this house some more, see what I can find in there. See if I can. He's still moving. I think he's gonna change into a zombie. Well, I'm running away now. I'm going to turn on my light, and I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna leave this thing closed. Bye, guys.